Welcome to 300 Bolivar Drive in Harris Grove, York County. This colonial-style home offers 2,272 square feet of living space situated on a half-acre beautifully landscaped lot. Just off the traditional colonial-style entry is the light and inviting formal living room. The adjacent formal dining room looks out onto the beautifully landscaped yard. The dining room flows into the spacious kitchen and daily living spaces. The kitchen offers Corian countertops and induction cooking. The kitchen is open to the breakfast nook and to the family room. Enjoy casual meals while looking out to the backyard. The family room features a wood-burning fireplace. This entire daily living area is filled with charm and character. Just off the breakfast area is the screened porch. Relax and entertain while looking out over the backyard. The paver patio, just steps from the screened porch, is perfect for grilling and more. The home offers welcoming touches to the landscape. The two-story workshop will be perfect for almost any hobby. And this is in addition to the two-car garage. The level backyard is spacious enough for play, pets, and even more gardening. The second floor offers 4 bedrooms. This primary bedroom features a remodeled ensuite bath. There is plenty of storage as you enter the ensuite. This renovation includes a large, luxurious walk-in shower. Each of the bedrooms offers a unique layout.